Oh, right. Hi, my name's Nash, and my diorama is about an endangered animal called a gorilla.
Nice. So you chose a gorilla. What biome do they live in?
Rainforest, jungle.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
What type of home do they have? Where do they like to sleep?
A nest, not like
A
nest,
nest?
like in the trees,
Wow.
like a bird nest, just like a nest like with sticks and grasses. On the
Wow,
ground.
very cool. What do they like to eat?
Termites
Do they eat anything else? Something juicy and
termites,
delicious?
ants, fruits, bamboo shoots.
Mm-hmm. Nice. What eats them?
Wait, and also ants. We don't know how to make termites, but so we made little lay lamps.
Oh,
because
cool.
We did have plaster clay, but we used it all up to make another stuff.
Nice. Okay, and what eats them, Nash? What's their predator?
Lego.
Do they have a predator?
And this is my Lego.
Wait.
gorilla.
You can show me after. We'll look at it after, okay? Do they have any predators?
Zero. Basically, it's just humans that eat gorilla meat, which is totally evil. It's
You were
also
telling me
kind of
something else, right?
weird.
It was like something eats their babies
And
sometimes.
jaguars sometimes.
Oh.
eat their babies. Okay,
How many babies do they have at a time?
One every year, which they could like have 4 or 3
Yeah, exactly. Good. And what animal group are they from?
mammals.
Yes. And why are they endangered?
Oh, because here's few reasons. People eat gorilla meat.
They hunt them
And
sometimes.
also, they hunt them. And also, when they hunt them, they use their heads as trophies.
Wow.
And their hands also as trophies. That is totally evil because
Yeah.
I don't know why, but it's just real evil. Okay?
Is there another reason, Nash?
and
Something
that-
about their homes?
But that just like really annoys me.
That really upsets you?
Yeah.
Oh, so
'cause
maybe
it's
one day
weird.
you can do something to
I
help the
just wanna,
gorillas.
like,
Okay, so
see
Nishringa,
some-
you want to continue? What other reason?
Because their habitats are used up by farmers, lumberjackers.
Farming, yep. What can we do to help them? What can we do to help gorillas?
Cell phones. They're made from metal. They're made from a type of metal that's from gorillas' habitats. So, cell phones, please recycle them. So they won't have to take more
Exactly.
more of the metal from gorillas' environments.
Any other ways we can help them? We can donate to people who are helping them.
Donate to people who help gorillas.
And what can you do in your life? Any ideas? Maybe live environmentally friendly, right? Okay, awesome. Do you want to show me your diorama?
And also, people who kill gorillas and use their heads and hands for trophies will really get karma.
I'm happy that you feel strongly about it. Maybe you'll help them one day. Okay, you want to show me? Wow, Nash, super cool. Can you show me what's going on in here? I see the little ants.
Yeah, the gorilla's eating.
Super
gonna eat an
cute.
ant. So the jaguar
Ooh,
Good.
hiding.
Yeah, play inside.
Nice. I see the little
A
snake.
Yeah. I was gonna use a bigger
Nice.
one, but it was made out of
Cool.
super light clay. It's clay that's light, but its tongue broke, and I was gonna glue it back on.
And
but
is the
didn't have
gorilla
enough
in his
time.
little nest? Not quite. I do see
I
grass
didn't
around.
make a mess.
Very cool idea to use Legos. I love it, Nash. Does anyone have any questions
Oh.
about gorillas for Nash?
And
Yes, Moon?
why do people kill gorillas?
Nash was saying sometimes people hunt them for meat or for trophies.
Yeah, this is stupid. Even for trophies, I don't
Yes.
know why, but it's just
Nash feels very strongly about this. Yep. Yes, Sarana?
that would be the creepiest trophy.
Okay, yes, Prema?
I just I'm like, what do they eat?
What do they eat?
I
Nash
just told you.
he was saying they eat fruit and sometimes they eat ants.
I agree with Nash. Well, and Dario. I didn't have.
Okay, that's okay. Yep, Kishori, quickly.
Can gorillas swim? No.
Really? You researched this, Nash?
No, but they definitely can. No.
Maybe we'll have to look it up. Yes, Jay?
Why do they use the hands and head for
I'm not sure. You might have to ask them. Okay, thank you, Nash. That was very interesting. Thank you.
And also the people who kill gorillas to get trophies, I really hate them.
Okay, thank you, Nash. Can everyone clap for Nash? Thank you for your presentation. So hopefully this will help someone realize that we need to help gorillas, right? Thank you.